So guys, meron din silang mga ayan, gambut. Hey, you can stay here and then the camera will goes around you. Where? Yeah. It's like this one. That one. Yeah. And then they have the food part here. Oh. Hot dogs. What's this? Photo. Dan Rivera photo. Photo in video. Ayan guys.
I'm the one.
I think we're not done here yet. Oh. They have like this. Look. It's nice.
Promo yan.
It's cute. And then they have like what's you call this? Discover Hospitality.
Discovery,
Hello.
Makati. We also have one in Boracay, Samal. Here, we have in Negros, Ortigas in Pasig.
Urban wedding.
Yes. So this is for Makati. So this is for Boracay.
This one in Makati. This is in Makati?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
May offer 20% discount po pag nag-avail po tayo ng mga bridal packages natin today. May wedding date na kayo, ma'am.
Yes.
Congratulations po.
Thank you. Mag-ikot po muna kami. Ayan, they have like this also. Like for the kills.
Yes,
Thank you. Ayan. J.R. Soriano wedding films. And they have like this, the bridal gowns. Are you still happy that you are here? Thank you. Ay, talaga?
Sa likod po, pinakalikod po, may mga exclusive deals and discount po. Really now.
Ay, okay. Abby, can you hold this?
Yeah.
So I'll check
Hello
it.
po. Good afternoon.
Hello po. Meron. Thank you. Yan, Silly Hills. Ayan. Take photo and videos. Ano po, meron. Thank you. So, ayan guys. RP Films. Sige, thank you. Yan. Ang dami, di ba guys, naipon namin? You hold that. I will hold this. Ah, customized wedding rings, guys. Yan. We're done here. Or not yet? We're done here? I think next to it. Ah, thank you. May investments din dito, guys.
Wedding video.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They are a lot here. Thank you.
All our rates are 5K off.
Thank you. Wedding videography package. Look at this, Abby.
Sorry?
Their videography package. Ayan guys. Ganito siya guys. Malula pa.
Pero, yeah, for
Mga marites dito guys. Mga marites. Ayan. Iya Films. Meron ako. Thank you. Yeah. andun lang siya guys. I think we're done here. We're going next.